And bagged sugar has of late become a bitter experience, owing to the 5-year high prices of the already scarce commodity. A 2-kilogram packet of sugar is retailing at an average of 330 shillings. These high prices have largely been as a result of a severe shortage of sugar that's in most supermarkets, forcing retailers to restrict how much sugar an individual can bag. Beg your pardon. The Sugar Directorate says the shortage is due to the drought experienced in most parts of the country, which affected production. Now, this effect means that relief is unlikely to come soon as production of both cane and sugar continues to decline.